Man, I'm still in jail for no reason because I actually stole the coins without his permission, I need to. But the timer is over for 3 minutes. But let me get out and apologize to Crayon Sharpener and somebody else. Hey, dude. Yes. What are you gonna do this time? I hope you're not gonna steal the coins again or anything else. I'm just gonna ask you something. I am sorry for stealing the coins without your permission. Oh, it's okay. But do not steal the coins again, or I am not gonna forgive you ever in a month. But yeah. And can I accept your apology? Your apology is accepted, but you can do whatever you want. Yeah. Plus, do not steal the coins again, or else I'm not gonna accept your apology ever again. So do you understand? Yes. Okay, good. Wow. Never mind. Wow. It was a good episode. It was a good season 2, episode 3, but it's not even that bad. So yeah. I'm just sitting here being happy or excited for doing something like playing outside, go to school, go see the school buses, or anything else. Like playing outside too. I could play outside with some soccer balls and a basketball. Plus, long ball is a basketball too. Anyways, but where is long ball? The long ball is not even here. But he's gonna come in a minute. Excuse me, who asked me? Why are you asking me? Oh, nothing. I'm just asking that you are basketball. Oh, good, thank you. Anyways, so like and subscribe and share the video if you want to share. So yeah, I hope the season 2 episode 4 will be coming out tomorrow or a few days, maybe tomorrow. So bye guys, see you later, and please give me more subscribers. Like give me 400 subscribers. Like just give me more 400 subscribers. And I have 200,000 views in my yeah in my in my videos collection, but I can't even think because my brain is not even working, but my voice has changed. Anyways, guys, so bye, guys. See you later. Bye, guys. It's been over 4 minutes. Bye, guys.